Hmm.
Hello students, this is Hemant Bardwaj welcoming you all. Students, I hope you all have got the information that you will be having your video classes and study material as well. So, I am going to start today's class. We have two subjects, right? As you know, first one is microeconomics, second one is business law. So, in today's session, we will discuss microeconomics. If I can recall, in the very last lecture we have discussed cost analysis where we discussed about concept of cost and types of cost. Now in today's session we'll start with marginal and average cost. So first one is marginal cost. It means cost of producing an extra unit. It simply means when you are producing certain goods, if you are adding one more unit to produce those goods, then the cost of that extra unit of good, suppose you are producing 50 goods earlier, now you want to add on one more unit in that, so the cost of that one additional unit will be called as marginal cost. Now with the help of formula, how can we understand this? MC, that is marginal cost. MC is equals to marginal cost. MC is equals to TC. TC stands for total cost minus TCN minus 1. First one was TCN. It means number of units that you are producing currently, the cost of those number of units is TCN. That's why I am writing it as current. I am repeating again, TCN means number of units that you are producing currently, the cost of those units will be TCN. Now TCN minus 1 means simply the number of units that you were producing earlier. Now with the help of an example we will understand it thoroughly. The question is, cost of producing 100 and 101 units are rupees 500 and rupees 600 respectively. The question says that if you are producing 100 units, the cost incurred in that is rupees 500. When you are producing one more unit in that, then the cost incurred is rupees 600. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate MC, that is marginal cost. Now coming to the solution, look at the formula TCN. We have to find TCN. What I have told you, current units that you are producing, current number of units that you are producing, the cost of those units, that means TC101. How much units are producing? You are producing currently, that is 101. So TC101 is equals to rupees 600. In the same way, previously we were producing 100 units, so total cost of 100 units is given already, that is 500. So we can put these values into formula. MC is equals to TCN minus TCN minus 1. TCN is equals to 600, TCN minus 1 is equals to 500. We can get the value, that is rupees 100. So MC is equals to rupees 100. In the same way, there is another formula for calculating MC, that is delta TC upon delta Q. Delta, I have already told you that delta means the overall change in total cost, that is TC. In the same way, change in quantity. Now we can understand this with the help of an example where we have given. We can take the previous example where we have total cost, that was rupees 500 previously and rupees 600 currently. So that we can see the total change is rupees 100, that is 600 minus 500. I am repeating again, previously the cost incurred was rupees 500. Now the cost incurred is rupees 600. So we can get the total change in total cost is rupees 100. In the same way, total quantity. Now we have to look upon the change in total quantity. Total quantity previously was rupees 100. Sorry, total units were 100. Now currently is 101. So we can see that there is one another or additional unit that we are putting. So total change in quantity is only 1 unit. We can put these values into formula and calculate the MC. These both will be same. It's up to you which formula do you using. So coming to the next topic, that is average cost. It simply means the cost of one unit, per unit cost of production obtained by this. That simply means average cost means one unit cost or cost of one unit, and it can be calculated as AC is equals to TC upon Q, that is total cost upon total quantity. Now again we are taking an example. We have given total cost is equals to rupees 10,000, number of units is equals to 100. So we can easily calculate this. AC is equals to total cost is rupees 10,000 and the total quantity is 100. We can divide it and get the value. So I hope all of you have got the point. So we will meet in the next class.